Hello students, as earlier that we have seen the part 1 and part 2 of lesson number 17 Acharyah Charakah means the Acharya Charak. In part 1 and part 2 we have seen that how the Acharya Charak has contribution in this Ayurveda Shastra, and now we'll see one verse is given, one shlok is given, and how the message that the Acharya Charak gives to us. So in priorly we have seen that the how many shlokas, then medicines, then chapters, adhyay in Charak Samhita and the knowledge of that. And now here in page number 68 in your textbook the shlok is given, and the shlok is like this: Narohita har vihar sevi samikshakari visayeshvakta दाता समः सत्य परः क्षमावान आपनोक्त सेवी च भवत्य रोगी. Means here in this slok the Acharya Charak says that how the man will become free from the disease. So how it is? So with the good behavior, with forgiveness and with charity, that help of the relative, the man should have this much of quality and the man will become free from any disease. So here first one Naro. Naro means Narah. Narah means man. Hitahar Vihar Sevi. So Hitahar Vihar Sevi, it means the one who eat good food and the practice of good conduct means good behavior. समीक्षाकारी. समीक्षाकारी मीन्स वन हु बिहेव आफ्टर थिंकिंग, मतलब जो बोलने से पहले सोचता है वैसा इंसान. एंड विषय प्लस आसक्त. विषय आसक्त मीन्स डिसइंटरेस्टेड अबाउट द प्लीजर. तो जो बहुत ही भौतिक सुख सुविधाएं जो आनंद है उसमें ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखता है, दैट पर्सन. दाता. दाता मीन्स डोनर. Samah. Samah means one who is having feeling of equality means जिसमें समानता की भावना है वो. एंड सत्यपरः. सत्य means trustworthy means the person who speak truth always. क्षमा. क्षमावान. क्षमावान क्षमा. क्षमा it means forgiveness, to give forgiveness. And आपनोक्त सेवी. Apnokta sevi, it means what? That the one who is help of the relatives, मतलब जो अपने relatives जो है उनकी सेवा करता हुआ होना चाहिए. And भवत्य अरोगिहि. अरोगिहि means that the man who is free from the disease. So the person who is improve this quality, the person who is having this quality, and the man should become free from the disease. So now the word meaning of this slok is like this. First, hitahar sevi. So hitahar sevi. So the one who eats good food and practice good conduct. Practice good conduct. Now the second one, samikshakari. Disease. Free from disease. So the word meaning is like this. Hitahar sevi means one who eat good food and practice good conduct means behavior. Samikshakari means one who behave after thinking, मतलब जो सोचने से जो बोलने से पहले सोचता है. Then behave after thinking, मतलब सोचने के बाद ही वो अपना behave करता है. विषयस्वक्तः means disinterested about the pleasure. Data. Data means donor. Samah. Samah means one who is having feeling equality, जिसमें एक समानता की भावना है वो. Apnopt sevi means help of relative, the person who is helping their relatives. Arogi, so free from the disease. So these much of qualities that person should become free from the disease. Now the next paragraph, and the next paragraph is explanation of this lesson, means these words. So how the Charak has explained, अर्थातः means यह नरः हितस्य आहारस्य विहारस्य, हिताहारः means आहारस्य and viharasya means ahara means eat good food and vihara means good conduct. So the person who is that behave properly and eat food, good food, that person सेवनम करोति means इसका सेवन करता है वो, सर्व कार्य समीक्षा करोति, समीक्षा मीन्स बिहेव आफ्टर थिंकिंग, मतलब जो बिहेव करने से पहले अब सब कुछ सोचने के बाद ही बिहेव करता है, मीन्स बिहेव आफ्टर थिंकिंग. देन द विषयेषु नितराम आसक्तः न भवति यः दानं करोति, दानम दाता मीन्स डोनर एंड विषय आसक्त मीन्स डिसइंटरेस्टेड अबाउट द प्लीजर. देन क्षमा भावम च आचरति मीन्स द फॉरगिवनेस, टू गिव फॉरगिवनेस एंड आप्त जनानाम सेवानाम करोति, आप्त जनानाम आपनोक्त सेवी मीन्स हेल्प ऑफ द रिलेटिव, द पर्सन हु इज हेल्पिंग विद देयर रिलेटिव्स. एंड नरः अरोगी, अरोगी मीन्स फ्री फ्रॉम द disease, so that person should become free from any disease. So this paragraph is explanation about the shlok, that how the man should become free. Now the next paragraph is like this, atra ekah prashnah. So now here the question is there, किम औषध विना सम्यक व्यवहारेण अपि जनः रोगरहितः भवितुम् अर्हति इति. Then here the question is there, question is arising in the mind that without any medicine, samyaka, samyaka means good, vyavharena api with good behavior, janah means the man, rog rahitah means rog rahitah means without disease, bhavirtum aharti ithi. So here the question is like this, that जो मैन है वो अच्छा बिहेवियर करके कोई भी मेडिसिन लिए बिना रह सकता है, मतलब कोई रोग के बिना रह सकता है क्या, उसको कोई ना रोग हो ऐसा हो सकता है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन इज देयर. सो तस्यम इदम उत्तरम, सो द आंसर इज लाइक दिस, यदा रोगः शरीरे प्रविष्टो भवति, इफ द डिजीज इज एंटर इन द बॉडी, तदा देन औषधस्य आवश्यकता भवति. So the medicine is required, is needed. If the man is suffering from any disease, so definitely the medicine is required. Parantu, but शरीरे रोगस्य प्रवेशः एव न स्यातः, but if in the body any disease is not there, then एतदर्थः मानवेन सम्यक् व्यवहारः करणीय एव. So then मानवेन सम्यक् means good, व्यवहारः means behavior, करणीय एव. बट जो मैन है उसकी बॉडी में जो डिजीज है वो एंटर ही ना हो, उसके लिए जो मैन है उसको अपना जो व्यवहार है वो सबके प्रति बहुत ही अच्छा करना चाहिए. व्यवहारस्य अपि, that even of the good conduct, swasthya means of health, prabhavo, prabhavo means effect, bhavitya isyeh means that happens, charak acharyasya updeshah. So the charak is giving advice that व्यवहारस्य अपि, even of the good behavior, तो जो गुड बिहेव करता है, दैट प्रभावः भवति इत्येषः मीन्स जो गुड कंडक्ट जो है, गुड व्यवहार जो है, अच्छा बिहेवियर जो है, उसका जो इफेक्ट है वो आपकी बॉडी के ऊपर भी पड़ता है. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दैट फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड दैट विल डिसाइड दैट नाउ वी आल्सो दैट बिहेव विथ अदर्स इन गुड, मतलब जो हमारा व्यवहार है, हमारा आचार है, विचार है, वो भी सबके प्रति बहुत ही अच्छा होना चाहिए. दैट इज द मैसेज ऑफ आचार्य चरक. नाउ द वर्ड मीनिंग इज लाइक दिस. औषध विना means without medicine. So here औषध विना, without medicine, without medicine. And the another one is pravishto. Pravishto means enter. Pravishto means enter. Then the another word that samyaka. Samyaka means good. Then the another one is prabhavaha. Prabhavaha means effect. Means effect. So the word meaning is like this. Aushadh vina means without medicine. Pravishto means enter. Samyaka means good. Prabhava means effect. So here we have completed this lesson with the word meaning, and the Acharya Charak is given the message that we have already seen. Now that message we have to follow in our daily routine life. I hope you all understand, and you have to see the part 1, part 2 and part 3, and any queries there then we will solve in our live session. Thank you.